Introduction to Zoom and Slack integration.
Zoom and Slack are powerful tools for remote work. Integrating them lets you start video meetings directly from Slack chats, making it easy to switch from messaging to face-to-face. In this guide, you'll learn how to connect Zoom with Slack and unlock instant video communication with just a few clicks.
Preparing your Zoom and Slack accounts.
Before starting, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need a Zoom account and a Slack workspace where you have permission to add apps. If you're not an admin, contact your Slack admin for help with installation. Also, ensure you're signed into both Zoom and Slack in your browser or desktop apps.
Installing the Zoom app to Slack.
In Slack, click on Apps in the sidebar and search for Zoom. Select the Zoom app, then click Add to Slack. You'll be prompted to grant permissions and log in to your Zoom account. Follow the prompts until the integration is confirmed. Now, Zoom is linked to your Slack workspace.
Using Zoom commands in Slack.
With the Zoom app installed, starting a meeting is easy. In any Slack channel or direct message, type Zoom and press Enter. This instantly creates a Zoom meeting link for everyone in the conversation. You can also schedule meetings with additional commands like Zoom Schedule.
Managing and customizing integration settings.
To adjust settings, go to the Zoom app page in Slack and click on Settings. Here, you can manage notifications, meeting defaults, and which users can start meetings. Checking these options helps you control how Zoom and Slack work together for your team.
Troubleshooting common issues.
If you encounter problems, try reconnecting your Zoom account from the Slack Zoom app settings. Make sure you have the latest versions of both apps. If issues persist, consult Zoom and Slack support documentation or contact your workspace admin for further help. Integration problems are often solved through updating permissions or reinstallation.
Conclusion and next steps.
Integrating Zoom with Slack streamlines your communication workflow. You can launch video meetings from chats with a simple command, saving time and effort. Encourage your team to make use of this integration for smoother, more efficient meetings. Stay updated with new features as both platforms evolve.